This section heading is called the installation of SNORT. So just like the section heading implies, we're going to install SNORT on a particular device in the Eurobank domain. So we're going to do all of this from Alice's end station. The first step in this process is going to be to use the NSLOOKUP command. So now at Eurobank, she was given an IP address and she was told to install it on that device. So she's basically just looking it up and using the system name. So now she's going to SSH to that device, and you can see the device name matches what the installation is going to be. So dmz.yourbank.com. We're going to need to verify the hash of the SSH server's public key. So we'll just say yes, and then we're going to need to authenticate our SSH session. So now that we're on the device, we're going to install SNORT. So to do this, we're going to type sudo. We're going to use the package manager apt, and we're going to confirm the installation. So we're going to install the package SNORT. So we're going to receive a pop-up here in a second, and this is going to ask us to define the network that we want to protect. So the network that we want to protect is 10.10. What is that network? 10.10.1.0/24. Okay, installation complete.